good day to you. Today I'm going to show you how you turn this into that. And I'm Benjamin from CogniWerk. This is my girlfriend, and this is the office space we are going to transform today. So I am going to take a quick snapshot, and I am now starting. So next I'm going to CogniWerk, and I am starting by choosing SDXL as a model because it's faster and I want to have a little bit more variation. And I want to have this fancy office space, and it should be like in the same composition. So I'm going to add more control. I use and select a SoftEdge, and I put my image right here into the inlet. You can see that it now gets transferred into an image, which looks like all the edges are like the office space, and my model used this for the configuration or for the composition. So, and now I can just have something like a modern, sleek office space. We integrated a prompt enhancer, so this prompt gets enhanced to a certain degree. And let's hit generate and look what we get there. Oh, it looks interesting, but it's stitched together. So I'm going on to wider dimension, and I want to have 4 examples. And here in the lab mode, I can also enhance the steps, which I do. Like for 30, I'm using IKEA oil sampler. It's a little bit better than the near deal and a sampler in this regard. So I hit generate again. And let's see, now we get a modern office, sleek design, minimalist, large windows, city view, neutral colors, etc, etc. There we go. And now we're getting somewhere. We are still not having the 4 images. Now we're having them. Okay, look at this one. So now we have an office space. I can go through these ones. This looks interesting, really modern and sleek, maybe a little bit cold. So I can go into the prompt and looking neutral colors, wood accents. Yes, but it's maybe a little bit modern wooden office. Maybe I need also some with some potted plants. Some wooden, some more greened office, or say potted plants, blush green. And so my original design does not really have potted plants or something, so we can see something here, but to get this, I'd need something like, I put it in SoftEdge again, and I would adjust the control rate that a little bit so that the generator gets a little bit more freedom to do it. And now I'm putting it on 911. So let's see what we get out of here. Maybe this is a little bit too stretched out. Well, it's good. I still have the polished concrete floor, so maybe I just get rid of this one. Now this looks interesting. So we have some wooden accents here. Now we have also some green over here. It looks more like there's some moss. And we have a small potted plant. Here's a potted plant. I think we can even lower the control net weight to give the model even more freedom in this regard. Put it in again, and I don't want to have a polished concrete floor. Contemporary art, don't need this ones. High ceilings, professional atmosphere. I think that's good enough for me. Okay, let's see what we get. Oh yeah, now we're getting somewhere. Okay, we have still a little bit of green here. This looks interesting though, and some plotted plants here, and here's an interesting green wall. So I really like this approach. Let's see this one. This is also not bad either. So, and now you can see SDXL is a good model. It's fast, but the quality is not as good as Flux. So what we can do from this regard is I can go here and scale it up a little bit. Let's say like twice the size. But I want to have a little bit better control over my quality, and I also want to have a little bit more atmosphere. So I'm using this now as an image input for the image reference. I go here to be used as a reference, and then I'm selecting, I think it was this one. Click on upload, and now this is an image weight. I go on Flux Dev. Oh, we have to do same sham. So I'm using this one. I go on Flux Dev. I also want to have a bit more images. Go on the 16:9, and I can keep the prompt as it is, but now with this as a guiding reference. So maybe put it a little bit higher. And now let's see what we get here. Oh, now we get a really sleek, nice office space with lots of interesting plants over there. This looks good. This looks really fancy. Interesting. And let me try one more time. Play maybe with a higher image. Yes, this looks better. It is more adjusted to the original image. And we have some more plants over there. Oh, this looks extraordinary. This looks really comfy. But there, this is also not bad either. I like also this one. But I think this is kind of my favorite. Okay. So maybe I want this to be a little bit bigger, so I can go here on this icon so that I now can fix the overall image size. I go higher and then I try this again. Oh, you can see there now it has some fine chairs over there. That looks nice. Look at this. Oh, I really like this. Oh, this looks really comfy. And I saw, well, this is also not bad either, but I think I'm going for this one. This so it looks like a really nice, comfortable office space. So I'm thinking I'm going for this one. And now you can do, of course, every hot thing you like. Download it, use it on social media, or just as an inspiration how you could make your office space. Okay, if you want to test it for yourself, I showed you all the details how to get there, and thank you for watching and take care and goodbye.